Hi, and welcome again. So today it's day 15 of the Advent of Cyber. You know, when I saw this came out, the Grinch Day Off, I just figured, okay, so this is just gonna be some commercial thing for you guys to be aware of, that if you follow the guides on TryHackMe and you do some of their learning path, I'm gonna show you what I mean just in a second. It is a possibility that you can get a cybersecurity career. Now, I don't want to tell any fairy tale stories or give you false hope. There are many thousands of people looking to get a cybersecurity job these days because it is very popular. So you need to be really good, you need to be ahead of the others, and definitely you need to do something, and you can start that on TryHackMe. So there's a page here called View Site, and there is a guide. If I were stranded on an island, the first thing that I would do, try and build a raft at home. Scope. This is just a quiz. You know, if you want to do that, we can just say, what would I do, by the way? It's like, okay, try and build the raft home. Scope the landscape for potential threats. Gather food for planned next steps. I guess I would do this. In my spare time, I would like to think about the new technology, understand how it works, watch crime-solving TV shows, keep busy learning something new, find geocaches in my neighborhood. I think I would pick the top one. If I could buy a fictional celebrity dinner, it would be Tony Stark, Sherlock Holmes, Yoda Star Wars, Bruce Wayne Batman, I guess Yoda Star Wars. And my favorite game is Battleship, Creative Chess, Hide and Seek, Risk. If I have to choose among these, I would say Risk. I'm best described as curious, strategical, calm under pressure, mischievous, practical. I would like to say curious, which I should pick something. My favorite movie is Back to the Future, Matrix, Terminator, Indiana Jones, or Jurassic Park. To choose one of these, I would like to say Back to the Future. So, reasonable for testing, and this is just different kinds of cybersecurity careers. A penetration tester, responsible for testing technology products, blah blah blah. You can read all these things, and they kind of give you a possible way to enroll in the path: pre-security, junior penetration tester, offensive pen testing. You can do security analysts, then you need to do that again, cyber defense, and some junior pen test. Incident responser, well, that would be still again cyber defense and junior penetration test. So it would be somewhat the same rooms for these two. Red teamer, it kind of sounds the same as a penetration tester. To me, it does. Security engineer, no, it's the same again. So different learning path for different roles. Some of them is quite the same, and the skills you need is, of course, very different from job to job. So this room is a really good and important room. So the answers below: complete the quiz, enroll on a TryHackMe learning path, and I'm gonna just press complete it because I'm already enrolled in a learning path. There are some stories here from guys called Brandon, Paul, Cassandra, and Kenny that they kickstarted their career using TryHackMe. And if you want to read something, let's say Cassandra, and the teacher becomes the student, from school teacher to security professional. This is a success story. So I just want to be honest and say that successes are easy to find. It's very difficult to find all the failures. So every time there's one success, there's 1,000 failures. It's like, you could say something like that, you know. And I don't want to discourage you or anything, but it is the truth. And sometimes the truth is heard, well, badly in your ears. So this is why I just want to tell you what I think is the truth. And if you ever find someone just saying, oh, it's gold everywhere and this is just so easy to get a job, you just go do this and you gotta do that, Most of it is just hot air. It doesn't exist like that, and it doesn't work like that. Hello, cat. Yes, this is my cat, by the way. How are you? We need to say hi to the audience. Wait. Hi, I'm a cat. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here. So that's all for this video today. I hope you liked it. It was no challenge. It was just basically day 15 cyber careers, the Grinch day off. So if you like my videos, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, or even leave a comment below. Until next time, bye bye.